Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how we can use the Power Editor. And if you need it, there's basically two ways to launch ads. You can do it from your Ads Manager right here. You can just click on Create Ad. But the way that I like to use for creating my campaigns is Facebook's Power Editor. So if you go into your Ads Manager account, which is what I'm in right now, you can click on this Power Editor, and you have to be on Chrome. So Google Chrome in order to use it. And we go in here, and then I just wanted to show you around a little bit. The first thing you need to do is you have to download your account from Facebook's servers to your computer. And then when you make changes, you have to upload them back from your computer to Facebook, okay? Because it's not like a real-time thing like the Ads Manager. So you just click on, whenever you come in, a good habit to get into is click on Download to Power Editor, and then just select your campaign and then download, and you'll see it pulls in the campaign that I have in this account, in this ad account, which is the test one, which is completed, and we had 25 and 20 cents engagement. And then what I can do, just to give you a little quick tour, on the left here, these little buttons, the first one is for campaigns, the second one is for ad sets, and the third is for ads. So if I want to work on this campaign, I'll put a little checkbox there. I'll click apply, and then it will, I mean right now there's only one in here, but when you have like 100 or thousands of campaigns and ad sets and everything, you need to do this. So you select it, click apply, then you can go to your ad set and you can work on this. Sorry. If you want to work on it, you select it, and then over here you click this little pencil thing, and this allows you to edit anything in the ad set that you want. Then you click that, then you go back here, select your ad by clicking on it, and then this is the edit button. But the other cool thing we can do is right here. We can open an Ads Manager, open an Ads Reporting, view on the news feed for the desktop, view on mobile, view the post permalink with comments, open in Power Editor, which we're already in. So we can go to our page to check the comments, or we can do this. Just click this. It'll take us right to the post that we did. Remember, we did this on our page. Then we can check the comments. So when we posted it, we got a bunch of likes, a share, a couple of yeses. That means it's good to go, right? That means that we can actually launch this one. So what we need to do now is we need to actually create, well, we're definitely going to create an ad for this and go with it. So back to the Power Editor, what we would do is I'm going to show you how to do everything here. But just remember the download when you come in, make your changes, which I'll walk you through how to do everything, and then upload it when you're done, okay? If I wanted to edit this ad now, I can't do it. So if I try it here, I can embed it or delete it. But if I click here, you can see the edit box is blacked out. If I want to be able to edit this, what I need to do is go to this campaign, and actually I would need to delete this campaign. And it's not going to disappear. It'll still be in your account, but it'll be shown as deleted, and you can't really restart it. But that will allow us to edit this if we wanted to put a link in here. We could also just go in and say, hey, we launched it. So we could reply to these people. We could say, hey, we launched it here, and send them the link to the actual Gear Bubble URL too. But the important part that we're going to work with is the Power Editor right now. And I just wanted to give you an intro, show you where to get it, and how to use it a little bit. And there's a lot of other stuff in here like manage ads, audiences, image library, reporting, page posts, and under tools there's a bunch of stuff for pixels, custom conversions, account settings, account groups, and billing. Everything's in here. But the key difference between this and the Ads Manager is this is on your computer, okay? And so you download stuff from Facebook to your computer, then you have to upload stuff from your computer back to Facebook in order for the changes to take place.